Yeah, voila, we made Mr. Beast 100 million subscriber word in Blender. Really cool. Yeah. Okay, guys, I think we should rewind this just a little bit, like to where it all started. Hey guys, I love Mr. Beast and his videos, and because of all the rapid growth he has gained on his channel, and because of all the effort he put into making his awesome content, I just wanted to like add a little piece of encouragement by making his 100 million subscriber award in Blender. And while you guys might notice and be thinking that he hasn't gotten to 100 million subscribers yet, but it's like a piece of encouragement that he will actually get to 100 million subscribers anytime soon. And well, that's what this video is going to be about, and it's going to be unique because I am going to be getting inspiration from nowhere but my head. And well, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, ring notification bell, and share this video to all your friends and other friends. And with that, we'll get started right away. Okay, inspiration. Where am I gonna be getting inspiration from this video? Well, from my head. I got two different styles. Just draw a cube, block it out. Maybe two. Oh no, that looks stupid. Just could use all of that. Just make it plain, whatever, and just draw it out here, and make you see Mr. Beast logo on top. Yeah, that's the first idea I got. And it's the second one. It's unique. Like, you don't just see Mr. Beast logo up there. You see it by the side, like in front of you, hold them. Yeah, and this is gonna be 100 million subscribers. Really cool. Yeah, something like that. Let me just do the open new project. Yeah, and start making our first one. So, I just downloaded this picture from the internet. Just go and type Mr. Beast's logo and go to images and you see this picture. Yeah. So I'm using a knife tool now to like draw out the Mr. Beast logo, like just the logo itself, not the whole mesh. Just gonna be drawing out and deleting the rest. So extrude up and yeah, just form that 3D look so you cannot just look like a plane, which isn't fun. Okay, so form that 3D look. I'm trying to like make topology here, but it's a big mistake. So let me just concede that. Okay, so now to make it look like a trophy, how will it look? Yeah, scale up on the axis. Let me put a bottom there and just make it look like a trophy. Put it up on a plane. Yeah, just stand it there. Just a standard first model. And yeah, after one render, this is how it looked, and looks not that much as good as I expected. Let's go to the next one, shall we? Okay, so the second time, we're gonna be doing something very distinct. Okay, so we're gonna be using this new style, second one that's like is gonna be facing in front. So what I'm gonna be like bringing Boolean of Mr. Beast logo into that object right now. So I'm gonna create the Boolean, duplicates the Mr. Beast logo and just leave it there. Cutting out some extra edges that you don't need. Yeah, just cut them out. Just cut them out, don't mind. I put Mr. Beast logo there and it starts to look pretty cool. Add a glass texture that looks like a trophy really, and add a base that all trophies always have. So this can be fine, so I just added like a middle block there to just keep it the cylinder to stand it there, and yeah, it's looking pretty cool. So now to extrude that inside, and of course right now 100 million subscribers. Yeah, Mr. Beast got 100 million subscribers. I'm gonna increase the spacing, the layers, and change the font, of course. So I have a lot of fonts you might see in the description. Whatever I'm gonna be setting it for a good font, and yeah, surprising I'm gonna be setting for 2021. Yeah, this year. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding this table I got from network, well, a site where they sell 3D models and all that stuff. Now it's time for the perfect lighting of the scene. Yeah, so I'm going to be using a sun lamp and positioning it directly on that object. Increase the brightness a little bit, change the color to black, and it's looking pretty good. I'm going to be decreasing the displacement of that wood texture there, so it's actually looking pretty good. So I'm going to add in focal length and positioning it just on that logo. So I don't want it to be like just showing the Mrbeasts logo, because that's not actually possible to make. So I'm going to be showing a little glass something there that has the outline of Mrbeasts logo over there, and I added a little more like breakers that will help to hold it. I think I'm going to be shifting that up a little bit, and yeah, voila, we made Mrbeast 100 million subscriber word in Blender. Really cool. Yeah, I can't believe that we actually made this, guys.